Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss any single video.
The kill chain in cyberdefense. In cybersecurity, the kill chain is the stages of an information systems attack. Developed by Lockheed Martin as a security framework for incident detection and response, the cyber kill chain is comprised of the following stages. Stage 1. Reconnaissance. The attacker gathers information about the target. Stage 2. Weaponization. The attacker creates an exploit and malicious payload to send to the target. Stage 3. Delivery. The attacker sends the exploit and malicious payload to the target by email or other method. Stage 4. Exploitation. The exploit is executed. Stage 5. Installation. Malware and backdoors are installed on the target. Stage 6. Command and control. Remote control of the target is gained through a command and control channel or server. Stage 7. Action. The attacker performs malicious actions like information theft, or executes additional attacks on other devices from within the network by working through the kill chain stages again. To defend against the kill chain, network security defenses are designed around the stages of the kill chain. These are some questions about a company's security defenses, based on the cyber kill chain. What are the attack indicators at each stage of the kill chain? Which security tools are needed to detect the attack indicators at each of the stages? Are there gaps in the company's ability to detect an attack? According to Lockheed Martin, understanding the stages of kill chain allowed them to put up defensive obstacles, slow down the attack, and ultimately prevent the loss of data. The figure shows how each stage of the kill chain equates to an increase in the amount of effort and cost to inhibit and remediate attacks. This figure displays a cyber kill chain. Increased effort and cost to inhibit and remediate. Starting with the least to the most, pre-compromise, compromise, and post-compromise. Within pre-compromise, reconnaissance, weaponization, delivery. With compromise, exploitation and installation. Within post-compromise, command and control, action.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly by our social platforms. Thanks for watching.